gang consists of some of the most ruthless killers of frontier time. They're wanted in 3 states and 2 territories for the killing of several Mexicans, Indians, and 2 U.S. Marshals. The gang has been on the move for 12 days, searching for some much-needed rest and supplies. They come upon a town, Salt Lake, New Mexico, looking for a hot meal and something to cut the trail dust from their throats. The men come into town and they head straight for the town saloon. Spotting a suspicious-looking man, Forrest Brooks, deputy, heads over to the sheriff's office and hopes to find Sheriff Jim Murphy. Recognizing the men from wanted posters distributed by the U.S. Marshal, Sheriff Murphy tells his deputy to go round up some men while he makes his way to the general store to wait patiently for the gang to come out of the saloon. After a few stiff drinks, the gang decide to head to the motel for a hot bath and a good night's rest. Meanwhile, Deputy Brooks, unable to find anyone brave enough to help, he slips in behind the gang, hoping to catch them in a crossfire. As the Reed gang makes their way across the center of the street, Sheriff Murphy makes his play.
Reed gang!
In the moments that followed the gunplay, not a soul was left standing in the street, for the price of justice was high that day. No one in the town of Salt Lake would ever forget the courage of Sheriff James T. Murphy and Deputy Forrest D. Brooks.
Let's give our actors a big round of applause.